how to be that student and get straight A's. Hey, welcome back to my Dot channel. I know you clicked on this video to become that student and AC in your academics. Being that student not only means to get academic validation, but also to keep up with your hobbies without cutting off social media. In this video, I will guide you how to achieve academic success without cutting your socials and enjoying hobbies. Let's get started. Don't worry if you are a schoolgirl, college girl, we're just trying to improve. This video is for you. #1. Time management. Create an effective time schedule, which includes proper rest, small, steady sessions, plus hobby time. You can break your schedule like this. Buy cute time management notes or planners to be organized. #to completing pending syllabus. Write down your syllabus which is pending and needs to be done. Go through each and every chapter and see where you need improvement, or the topic you are lagging. Understand all those topics before jumping to revision. Break down your task and then focus on what is more important and needs to be done first. Number 3. Develop active learning strategy. Transform normal reading into active learning by reading headings in form of questions. By this method, you can easily understand the topic by finding the answers. Active learning includes questioning, summarizing, discussing. Try to ask questions, explaining, or teaching someone. #4. Productive study environment. Creating a clean and productive study space not only motivates you to study, but also increases productivity. Choose a specific area for studying which is free from all the distractions. Use organizers to have all your books and stationery kept at place. I hope this video helps you in your academics and achieve A's in your exams.